In this video, I'll show you how to use your Apple Watch to control the camera of your iPhone. Step number 1 is to tap on the crown so you get all the apps that you have. Then you need to find the camera app. You see, it's this one. It's a gray with a black camera. Tap on it. It will connect to the camera of your iPhone, and you see, it's working currently. So from here, you're going to have multiple options. The one that you see over here, 3S, it simply means 3 seconds. So if I press here, there'll be a 3 seconds delay. And the camera of my iPhone took the picture. Now I'll show you how to change that, but you can also record a video simply by keeping press this button, and you see the recording has been started. You can end it by pressing the stop button or press the pause button to pause the recording. And then we have the 3 dots that will give you more options. So you can remove the 3 seconds timer. You can switch from the front camera to the back one, okay, depending which one you want to use. You can set the flash settings if you want the flash on, off, or automatic. If you want live photo to be turned on. And this is about it. Press done to save if you made any modifications. And now I remove the timer, and every time I press the shutter, you can hear the shutter sound that is coming out of the watch, and the iPhone camera is taking pictures. You can still use, by the way, the buttons on your iPhone. You can do both. If you want to set your exposure, you can also tap on the screen the same way you're tapping on the iPhone, and it will also adjust the focus if you want to focus on something specific. But overall, this is it. This is how you use your Apple Watch to control your iPhone's camera. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.